welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see by the title, I will be doing a get ready with me today, and as you guys can see, I'm still in my gown and my satin duke, so just excuse that. But yeah, if you're interested, then please keep on watching, and also don't forget to like this video, comment down below for a shout out at the end of my video, and also don't forget to subscribe, guys. We're on our way to 400 subscribers, so subscribe. But yeah, without any further ado, let's jump straight into this video. This is the outfit for today, which I'm gonna put on now, and it's this black top with black pants, which you guys saw in my previous haul, and that's the padded top with the bootleg type pants. And then I also have this cute necklace with it, and then also I'm gonna put on these rings. Now this used to be a sweet box, but then I just added this like foamy type thing, and just to put my rings in it. So yeah, and then I'm gonna put on these Airforce, which you guys saw in the previous video. So this is also a cute outfit you can wear with the Airforce. So yeah, that is what I'm gonna wear. Alright guys, so I have the outfit on and I didn't put the necklace on as yet. I'm gonna start with my skin now. Girl. I'm just gonna keep it simple and cute. So yeah, let's do that. So before you guys get me for my eyebrows, I'm trying to grow it out because I shaped it badly last time, and I just have to grow it out in order for it to be shaped perfectly, so excuse that. I don't even know if it's even, but we're just not gonna go close. guys, at this moment I realized I didn't add some concealer, so I'm just applying it underneath my eyelids and then also on the bridge of my nose. I've lost my lip gloss, guys, so now I don't have any gloss, but I'm gonna use my lipstick, and I'm gonna use the MAC Cosmetics one in the color Consensual Matte Lipstick, and then I'm just gonna add some concealer on top of it, you know. So yeah. So I like this lip combo, it's just everything. So I'm gonna link the products down below so you guys can go check it out. And yeah, now I'm just gonna move on to my hair finally. So I have to take this dook off carefully. My hair looks a mess, guys, but what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take this on Jackie's oil and put some on my hands, take that, and you know, just play with my hair. God, my hair is so dirty, guys, like I need to wash it. So another thing I'm gonna add to my hair is this whipped shea butter that I got from Aesthetics by Chioma. And I'm just gonna add like that amount to my hair because it makes my hair much like softer to work with. And my hair is currently very puffy, you know, so yeah, my hair is so big, guys, and my hair is I think 3-4 days old now. The more I touch it, the more it like fluffs up, so yeah. Much better. Okay, so I'm all done now, guys, and I'm just gonna add my accessories and also my shoes, and then I'll show you guys the final look. So yeah. So this is the final look, guys. I have my accessories on and my black outfit with my shoes, and yeah, and I have my power bank in my hand because my battery is actually flat, so yeah. But that's the look, guys. So cute. So yeah, guys, that was it for this video. Thank you so much for getting ready with me, and if you've liked this video, then give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and get me to 400 subscribers, and also comment down below if you want a shout out at the end of my video. Follow me on my social media platforms so you can be updated on whenever I post new content. And yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.